Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add this floating heart overlay in the CapCut mobile. So here, just add your video first to CapCut, and then to easily find the heart overlay, go to the effects option, click on the video effect. Then in here, swipe through the category until you find the love category. So click on that and find the floating heart effect. This one. So click on the effect and it will make the floating heart as overlay on your video. Click on a check icon. So this will be the result. And that's all. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.